Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I've been trying to get my hands on this product for a minute now, okay? And every single time I go to a Target or a Walmart or some other store that sells it, they're sold out. So luckily yesterday I happened to go to Target. There was 2 left, and so I got my hands on one. So today I'm going to be giving you guys a first impression. Haven't done that in a while, but I'm going to be giving you guys a first impression on the Mielle Organics Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Styling Gel. So this is a moisturizing styling gel from their Moisture RX line, and I'm excited to try it. I've been wanting to try it ever since it came out because this is their newest line. We're gonna crack into this. We're gonna see how it performs. So I washed my hair, conditioned, used the leave-in, and now we are about to style. I am going to take the back, as I normally do, separate it in 2 different sections. I'll work on this side later, and we will start on this side. So we're gonna open this up. What we get is a clear gel. It's not as thick as like an Eco Styler gel, but it's pretty thick. You know, this is a good sign for me. I typically like to use thick stylers, and it says it's moisturizing, which I'm excited about. Hopefully that holds true, but typically Mielle Organics does. You know, they come through. Whatever their products say they're gonna do, they're gonna do. Okay, so one thing is, I hope that they work the way I like to style my hair, because I very much like to style my hair not dripping wet, like wet but not dripping wet. And I don't like to just rake it through. I kind of like to mold my hair into, you know, the way I normally wear it. And so I hope that this works like that, because I know Monique, she styles her hair very differently. The way she styles her hair, but her hair is also a lot longer than mine, so that process is going to be different. But so far it feels really good. Okay, and then per usual, just gonna wrap these around my fingers. And I don't really coil them like super defined or nice or anything like that. I do sometimes. I want my hair to look that nice, but it takes so long that I'm like, I'm fine with not super defined, like not a super good looking one, you know, that still looks good. And so I kind of just like go in and just, you know, do this. I don't want to spend too much time on it. The longer that I spend on it though, and like the more like precise I get it, the longer it lasts. But right now I'm just gonna, you know, try to knock this out really quick. Okay, so far so good. I'm really liking how these curls are looking right now. It's looking pretty good. I just hope that they hold really well. You know, like I'm hoping that it doesn't dry and get frizzy, and that it lasts. Like ideally I want it to be crunchy when it dries, because I know that my hair is gonna last. So hopefully it'll be crunchy. It doesn't feel like it's gonna be though, and especially because this is a moisturizing gel, it might not be crunchy, which means it won't have a super strong hold. But so far I like it. One thing that I noticed too is that because it is moisturizing, it kind of, you can feel it kind of like go into your hair. So that's kind of cool. You do have to kind of use a lot though because of that, but you know your hair is getting nice and moisturized. So I really like that about it. I don't know if there are too many moisturizing gels out there. So this is a pretty cool, you know, pretty cool concept to me. I mean, I know the Kinky Curly gel is very moisturizing, but I don't know, this one's, I like the way this one is. But I feel like this gel and that gel have 2 very different purposes. Very different. I mean, they're both stylers, but they for me, they would give me very different results, like dramatically different results. And I'm kind of favoring right now towards the results that I think this one is going to give me. All right, so these are the results we have right now. So far looking so good. I'm gonna finish this, come back to when I do the front so you guys can see, and then we will be back with a, you know, review on how I feel about this new Mielle Organics styling gel. There's a whole line with this new line, but you know my favorite hair product is gel, so of course I'm gonna review the gel, you know, the styler. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish this and then I'll be back. All right, y'all, so this is my hair done fully. Now I do notice, because this gel isn't as heavy as like Eco Styler gel, it wasn't like it wasn't applying the same, obviously, because it's not as heavy. And so there were a lot of pieces that I had to like go back over and just kind of like do this over to make sure they were going to be really defined when I dry my hair. So that was an interesting observation, but I can say that this felt like feels super moisturized, like super moisturized. So I'm gonna diffuse my hair. I typically diffuse my hair so that it can dry up instead of hanging down like this. So I'm gonna diffuse my hair and then I'll come back and show you guys the finished results and my final impression of the first impression. You know, over time you're using it over and over and over again, you know, your experience could change due to many reasons, but I'm gonna, you know, just give you guys the final impression of my first impression once my hair is dry. All right, so I changed out of my robe because I had a walk penny. This is the finished result. My hair is not completely dry, and there's a reason for that. I stopped drying it, diffusing it, because I realized that my hair, I mean, it looks good, but it started to get frizzy. And I realized that this gel, it is super moisturizing. I mean, moisturized, like, isn't even the word for it at this point. Like, that gel is super moisturizing. Like, I probably could have got away without using a leave-in. Honestly, the results probably would have been better if I didn't use a leave-in. But my hair is extremely moisturized. The only thing that I have to say about that is that my hair is not super defined.
What's good, y'all? This is Editing Kobe in the future. I just wanted to say real quick, my hair was actually defined. It just didn't have a lot of hold. My curls are definitely defined in that video, but it just didn't have a lot of hold, so like it wasn't gonna last that long. That's what I meant to say, not defined.
Which is my favorite thing, right? Like, this is not gonna last me an entire week. This would probably last me 2-3 days, maybe 4 days, maybe 5 if I want to stretch it. But I can tell my hair, it doesn't have super strong hold, right? Because it's moisturizing, so that makes sense. You kind of sacrifice. You want it to be really soft, well then it's not going to have as much hold. If you want it to have a lot of hold, well then it's not going to be soft. It's going to be crunchy, you know. And then over the days it'll get soft. But yeah, so overall, I do like the gel. I think my hair is going to dry fully nicely. I just think it's not going to last as long. I think I would use this gel if I'm in the mood to have soft curls, like soft, nice curls. I think that's when I would use this gel. But if I'm in the mood to do my hair and just not have to worry about it for a week, then I'll go for my Eco Styler gel. But this gel right here is for, like, if, you know, I want to have, you know, nice soft curls, you know, because this has my hair very soft, very extremely moisturized. Like, it's crazy. Yeah, so overall, you know, I would probably buy this gel again, like I said, if I wanted to have a really nice defined look, but it'd be soft, or like if I knew I was in a situation where, I don't know what situation this will be in, but if I was in a situation where I knew like people were going to be touching my hair, maybe I want my hair to be like nice and soft. Or if I knew I was like maybe having a shoot that was very like close up or something, and I needed for it to have that soft, movie, bouncy, you know, type of thing, versus a more hard, super defined look, then I would go for this gel. But so yeah, so you know, I think it's pretty good. And if you like soft hair but you still want some definition, some really good definition, I highly recommend this gel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We hope it was helpful, and if any of you guys have been thinking about this gel or trying it out, well, now you know my first impression of it. If you guys have any other products that you want to see me review, get my first impression on if I haven't used it yet, or just, you know, me review, you know, if I have used it but you just want to know how I feel about it, then definitely let me know down below in the comments, and I will be more than happy to share my opinions on whatever products you're looking for. I know you guys have been asking for Wetline Extreme, so I'm trying to get my hands on that, and then I will do a video on that as well. But if there's any other products that you want to see, then of course let me know down below, or you can hit me up on Instagram in my DMs. Thank you guys so much for spending your time here with me on the internet. I really appreciate it. You guys know this, you know the drill. There are billions of videos to watch on the internet, and the fact that you are watching mine means the world to me. So thank you so much for that. Really appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.